In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch to Nano Banana Pro in Gemini AI when creating images. We'll walk through the exact flow from opening your browser to generating your image. And I'll add simple tips along the way so everything feels smooth and predictable. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Google Gemini and press Enter. Look for the official Gemini site from Google and click through to open it. This ensures you're in the right place with the latest tools available for image creation. Once you're on the Gemini app page, locate the Create Image option. Go ahead and click it. This button not only takes you into image mode, it also initializes the Nano Banana functionality behind the scenes so the right image tools are active for your session. Next, look for the plus icon in the Composer area. That's the control to upload a reference image. Click it. Choose a clear, relevant image from your device and let it upload. A good reference can anchor style, composition, or subject details, so pick something that reflects the look you're aiming for. Now write your prompt. Be descriptive and specific so Gemini understands the scene, mood, and details. For example, you could say, "A rugged-looking man sits inside the open cockpit of a large, weathered sci-fi mech robot. The cockpit is filled with detailed mechanical panels, wires, switches, and industrial controls. Beside him sits a small, realistic Pikachu wearing a tiny pilot helmet with goggles." If you're using a reference, mention how you want it to guide the result, such as matching lighting, color palette, or camera angle. Before submitting, switch the model to Thinking with 3 Pro. You'll typically see the model selector near the prompt field or along the top bar. Click it and choose Thinking with 3 Pro. Selecting this activates the new Nano Banana Pro setting for image generation, giving you the enhanced reasoning and visual quality tied to that option. Finally, click Submit. Give it a moment to process. If rendering takes longer than expected, that's normal for complex prompts or high-detail scenes. When results appear, review them closely. If something's off, refine your prompt by clarifying the focal point, style, or proportions, or by emphasizing how the reference image should be interpreted. That's the full workflow. Open Google, find Google Gemini, enter image mode with Create Image, add a reference, write a clear prompt, switch to Thinking with 3 Pro to activate Nano Banana Pro, and submit. Follow these steps and you'll be generating consistent, high-quality images with the correct setting enabled.